Sí, empieza.
Hello, Ranulfo.
Hola, hello, Raúl. How are you?
Little six.
Are you going to Jonas' birthday party?
I don't, Felix, lie, I six and sick. But you do?
I'm going to that party.
Tell me how the party goes.
Okay. Hello, Raúl.
Hello, Ranulfo. Are you already at the party?
Yes, there are several people.
Really?
Yes, and most of the people are carrying shield engine.
Yes, that is the latest fashion.
The decoration is very nice, and there is even a huge swimming pool.
Wow, incredible. In weeks I work okay to be able to go.
Wow, Maria, Acker French is wearing a pattern bag and beautiful laundries.
Wow, seriously, a Prada bag?
Yes, and she also has a Perdomo bracelet.
Kid having a good time at the party. See you soon.
Bye. Goodbye, Raul. You Jet Beaver.
Thank you, Ranulfo. Goodbye.
Thank you.